siding, shingles ripped off the top of the house. They got a bunch of fire trucks closing off the main areas of destruction.
Yeah, we went over to where the tornado hit. We went over to the area where a tornado hit.
White Pines, Chapman. Everyone in between their houses, all their trees ripped out. This is the other side of Fleming Road where they were chainsawing those up.
I got it. We have to turn around.
Wow, right on the power lines. Stop. That power line's completely down. Phone lines. Pretty much every single house in their yard, a tree is down. At least one tree is down. Wow. This whole wooded area and phone lines hold up all on the ground. All bent down by the trees. Just a reshot of the other one. And this isn't even the worst part of the tornado. Michigan State Police. Re-entering this courtyard that we were in.
Stop and then zoom out.
That's part of people's.
Way out. We gotta go.
This is probably one of the worst houses that got tore up. Wow, it's a girl on her cell phone. Who would have guessed that? Tornado storms that hit southeastern Michigan since 1997, they were saying on Fox News, the local news, Metro Detroit. Most of these houses didn't get too much damage compared to other areas that they got corded off.
Trees down, getting clear into the area.
Literally every single yard there's trees down. Just missed it. There was a trailer up beside a house. Yeah, I know.
That's an old tree. That's an old birch.
It's approaching about 8 p.m. March 14th, March 13th, one of those days. Thursday, 2012.
Not too far away.
A lot of pine trees are the ones that got the most brute. Those aren't bushes, those are pine trees knocked on their sides. Guy's patching up his shingles. Yep, that's that trailer I was talking about earlier. Small trailer flipped over on the side of their garage. There goes a local Samaritan whipping out his chainsaw. Channel 7 local news. Getting past 8 p.m. Construction was done in this area. This is the outskirts.
Power lines down though.
Yeah.